Edward? What are you doing in the middle of the crossing?
I'm just waiting.
Waiting for what?
For diesel from the main line.
Is this diesel bringing you a train to take?
That's one way to put it.
If that's the case, why are you blocking up the line? Wouldn't it be better to wait at the station for the exchange?
Nah, that's not my way of doing it.
Wait, what? This is your plan?
That's right, buddy. Put 'em up, put 'em up!
Dadgum crazy rail blocker!